Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some Jawahar Navodaya entrance exam math in English and also in Oriya. Okay, let's begin with the English math. After two sums, we shall move to Oriya. Right? The first one is 59. Look at the book. 59. Simplification of 2.75 minus 1.25 plus 4.75 minus 2.80 in fractional form. Fractional form is भग्नांश रूप में प्रकाश करिबा. So we will apply what Bodmas, that is BODMAS, right? Bodmas means what? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So here only addition and subtraction are given. So the question is 2.75, yes, minus 1.25, right? Right? Then plus what? 4.75 minus 3.80, right? Could understand? So what shall we do now? Yes, this is a positive number. This is a positive number, right? This is a negative number. This is a negative number. First, we will do 2.75 plus 4.75 minus 1.25 minus 3.80. Could understand? So, first we will add these two decimals, right? 2.75 plus 4.75 is how many? 5 plus 5 is 10. Kept 0, carried over 1, here 1. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 5, 15. Kept 5, yes, take 1 over this plus 1. 1, 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 7, so 7.50, right? This is plus 7.50. Here let's do it. This is a negative number, this is a negative number. Same symbol. So we will add them. 5, 0, 5. 2, 8, how many? 2 plus 8, how many? 10. Kept 0, carried over 1. Right? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. This is 5.5. This is minus 5. Right? This is minus 5. Now we shall do it. What shall we do now? We shall do here 7.0 minus what? 505. So here is 0. We can't subtract 5 from 0. We will borrow. Okay. So here 5 tenths. We will take 1, will remain 4, and here 10. 10, 5 minus 5 is 5. 4, 7 minus 5 is 2. So answer is 2. This is 2.45. What did I say? 2.45. But we have to convert it into fractional number. Is equal how many? 245 upon 100, right? Could understand? 100. That means 520 the, 54 the, 59 the. 49, right? 49, 20. So this is an improper fraction because the top number is greater than the bottom number, right? So we will convert it into a mixed number. 22 to 40, 9, remainder 9, 20. This is the answer. Tell me which is the answer?
A.
A. Yes, A is the answer. What did I say? Yes, A is the answer. Next one is what? The length of a rectangular plot. This is a rectangular plot. The rectangular plot of land is twice its width. This is B, this is 2B, right? Because the length is 2 times of let breadth width B length GTH length 2B, right? Okay. A square swimming pool of 8 sides. Inside the field there is a swimming pool. Square swimming pool occupy full of side 8. Side 8. Each side 8. Inside the swimming pool, inside the rectangular field, there is a swimming pool, square size. Okay. This is B, this is 2B. But its side is 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay. And it occupies it is the 1/8 of this field, rectangle. The square is square is the 1/8 of the rectangle. Could you understand? So, plot. The length of the plot is, this is asked. The length of the plot is asked. Right? So let's do it. The side of the, what did I say? This, go to 1 minute. The square is the 1/8 of what? Rectangle, right? Side is equal to, each side is equal to how many? 8. 8 what? Tell me. 8 is meter, 8 meter. So it means 8 square area is equal to 1/8 of LB. Length and width. Hello. A square area, the area of square is equal to 1/8 of area of rectangular plot. Rectangular plot ro 8 ଭାଗରୁ ଭାଗେ ଏଠି କରିଦେଲି, right? So 64 is equal to what? 1/8 of L and B, right? Again, what is given? This is the denominator. It will become here numerator. So that means 64 into 8 is equal to L is equal to how many? B. L is equal to 2B. L is equal to 2B. 2B into B. You know, L is equal to 2B. Right? B square is equal to, implies that B square is equal to 64 into 8 upon 2. Could not understand? I brought right hand side to the left hand side and took left hand side to right hand side. Okay. So 2 for the right. Could you understand? B square means 64, just 1 minute. Yes, B into B is equal to what? 8 into 8 into 2 into 2, right? 64 is equal to 8 into 8. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. So therefore B is equal to 8 into 2. That is 16. Therefore L is equal to 2B is equal to 2 into 16 is equal to 32. Length is equal to how many? 32 meter. You understand? L is equal to? Okay. Bye. Now let's move to which method? We will go to?
Odia math.
Yeah. Odia method. Okay. राइट प्रत्येक प्रश्न निमंते 4टी संभाव्य उत्तर ए बी सी डी क्रम दि जाइछि एतिरु केवल गोटिए उत्तर ठीक ठीक उत्तरटी बाछि एवं एहाकू देखैबा पाई प्रश्न अनुसार प्रदत्त ओ एम आर उत्तर पत्र रे सेही उत्तर संख्या निकट रे थिबा वृत्त को कला रंग कर ठीक अच्छे से प्रश्न तुम कर ये प्रथम प्रश्न देखा तेबे ता पूर्व आम देखा जे पिला को वृत्ति परीक्षा देवाक जाऊा पिला एवं आमर गरीब पिला माने जेपरी गणित रे अधिका दक्षता हासिल करेंगे से या गोटे प्रयास तेबे यही जो प्रश्न व्यवहार करा जायछि जवाहर नवोदय प्रवेशिका परीक्षा गाइड पोल स्टार प्रकाशन प्रश्न व्यवहार करा जायछि जेहेतु यही पोल स्टार जवाहर नवोदय प्रवेशिका परीक्षार गाइड गोटे प्रकार भल लगिला एवं मत लगिला जे या पिला निश्चित साहाय्य करिवो एणुकरी तारी प्रश्न व्यवहार करा जायछि आउ पिला कह जाउछि जे जेहेतु से प्रश्न व्यवहार करा जायछि एई गाइड व्यवहार करी निजर दक्षता वृद्धि करिवे तेबे आमे वर्तमान प्रश्न को आसिया प्रथम प्रश्नटी देख लुक एट योर बुक प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स हाँ यस व्हाट इज गिवन अमित व्हाट डिड आई से यस अमित 1200 टंका देई बा 1200 टंका देई एक टेबुल किनिला राइट किनिला मीन्स क्रय मूल्य अमित 1200 टंका दे एक टेबुल किनिला दैट इज क्रय मीन्स इन इंग्लिश सिप कॉस्ट प्राइस सो सिपी क्रय मूल्य सिपी इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी 1200 राइट नेक्स्ट तार मरामती पाई 200 टंका खर्च कला रिपेयर चार्ज 200 टोटल सिपी हाउ मेनी 1400 कला 1680 टंकार से आगो बिक्री कला विक्रय मूल्य सेलिंग प्राइस दैट इज एसपी इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी 1680 which is greater selling price or CP or SP
Selling price.
selling price where selling price is higher that there is profit right profit or loss
Profit.
how much profit can you say we will do it right so CP is equal to 1400
Divide.
Yes, let's subtract minus. 0 minus 0, 8 minus 0 is equal to 8, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, 1 minus 0, not mention is not necessary. So answer profit is 280. ତେବେ ତାର ଲାଭ କିମ୍ବା କ୍ଷତିର ଶତକଡ଼ା ହାର କେତେ? এইটা 280 ଟଙ୍କାଟା କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାରେ ତାକୁ ଲାଭ ହେଲା? କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା? ସଦାବେଳେ ଆମେ ତ କ୍ରୟ ମୂଲ୍ୟ ଉପରେ ହିସାବ କରିବା ନା। କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାରେ ଲାଭ ହେଲା? ସେ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା କ୍ରୟ କରିଥିଲା? କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାରେ? 1200 ପ୍ଲସ୍ 200 1400 ଟଙ୍କାରେ। ତ 1400 ଟଙ୍କା ସିପି ବେଳେ ପ୍ରଫିଟ୍ କେତେ? ପି 280 280। 1 ଟଙ୍କା ସିପି ବେଳେ 280 upon 1400 therefore 100 rupees CP ବେଳେ into 100 right. So 2 zeros cancelled right. 14 to the ये 0 is equal to 20%, शतकड़ा 20% लाभ। आंसर राइट। 20%. Right answer is 20%. Okay. This is 20%. Where is it? This is D. Right. Next one is so 42. 140.75 into 0.01 समान होउची 140.75 into केते देइची 0.01 is equal to 140.75 1 minute 75 upon 100 decimal पर 2 digit अच्छी so we will use 2 zeros into 1 upon 100 right is equal to 14075 upon 10000 right. बुझा पड़ला ना बुझा पड़नी? ठीक है कि नहीं? बर्तमान केतरा जीरो अच्छी तो इज इक्वल टू 14075 तबे चारिटा पर आम डेसिमाल देदेबा 1 2 3 4 डेसिमाल तो 1.4075 राइट आंसर इज वेर इज इट? यस 1.4 सी नंबर सी। What did I say? Number C. Okay. Next. गोटे पक्षी दलर 1/4 पक्षी नदी कूल अच्छा कुड अंडरस्टैंड? गोटे पक्षी दल 1/4 पक्षी नदी कूल अच्छा 1/5 पक्षी से बसार अच्छा बड़का 22टी पक्षी खाद्य सन्धान अच्छा। आम देखा केते दले पक्षी अच्छा से 1/4 कौटे अच्छा 1/4 1/1 upon 4 1 upon 4 कौटे अच्छा नदी कूल प्लस अच्छा 1/5 1/5 is equal to how many? Let's see 4 5 LCM of 4 5 is equal to what? 20 right. 20 divided by 4 is equal to how many? 5 into 1 is equal to 5 plus 4 divided by 5 is equal to 4 into 1 is equal to 4 so it is equal to 9 upon 20 so it is minus 1 minus 920 is equal to 1 is equal to LCM 20 okay LCM 20 right 20 minus 9 is equal to 11 upon 20 right. So 11 upon 20 is equal to how many? Is equal to 22. Right? Therefore, 1 is equal to 22 into 20 upon 11. 11, 2 that is equal to 40. Could you understand? So total number of bars is equal to how many? 40. Right? How many bars? 40. So what is asked? तो तेबे बसारे थिबा पक्षी मानक संख्या केते? एक पंचमांश से बसारे अछंदी एक पंचमांश। तो एक पंचमांश हाफ 40 इज इक्वल टू 40 इंटू 1 40 इंटू 1/5 इज इक्वल टू 5 8 8। तो आंसर इज 8।
8.
Answer is 8.
Yes.
Right. Answer is 8. Okay. Done. Now let's see. आउ थे देखिए चल आउ गोटे। ओके कौन देइछि? गोटी 8 मीटर लंब 6 मीटर उच्च ओ 22.5 सेमी चौड़ा। मीटर मीटर सेमी देइछि। आम सब कन्वर्ट करदा सेमी रे। सेमी चौड़ा कांत पाई केते खंड इटा दरकार हेबो? जदि गोटे इटार माप 25 सेमी 11.25 सेमी 6 सेमी आमको कहूँ इटार दे दीची इटार लंब प्रस्थ उच्चता दे दीची कांथर भी देइछि। आमे कौन करिया? कांथर घनफल बाई इटार घनफल करदेले संख्याटा पलि आसियो। रहला। तो इटा संख्या संख्या इज इक्वल टू कांथर घनफल बाई इटार घनफल। राइट? तो कांथर घनफल केते? 8 मीटर मीन्स 800 सेमी इंटू 6 मीटर मीन्स 600 सेमी इंटू 22.5 राइट बाई दिस इज नॉट यस 5 अपन व्हाट इटार घनफल 25 सेमी इंटू व्हाट 11.25 सेमी इंटू 6 सेमी। राइट? मन रहा। तो लेट्स सी डू इट। कौन करवा ना 800 इंटू 600 इंटू बाई 225 डेसिमल उठे देली 10। सिमिलरली 25 इंटू डेसिमल उठे देली ऊपर 100 नहीं रखीदेली इंटू 6। राइट? एबे करदेवा 0 0 कैंसिल 6 10 दा। राइट? तो 25 9 दा 25 9 दा 9 1 यस 9 1 दा 2 22 9 2 दा 9 2 दा 18 4 45 9 5 दा 125। राइट? 25 5 दा 25 4 दा। राइट? ओके 5 2 दा 5 2 दा। So the rest is 800 into how many? 2 into 4. Right? Is equal to 800 into 8 is equal to 8 8 the 64 6400 times. Am I right? How many? Yes, 6400 bricks. Right? Which number is correct? 6. Number C is correct. Right? Okay. Bye. We shall do the other sums in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.